Do you want me to hold it?
No, I don't. Hey everybody, it's Sean and Carrie from Owning Toronto.
And we're here in East York.
And if you would like to see this or any other listing, give us a call.
Or if you're thinking of listing your home for sale, we can give you a free evaluation. Okay, so here we are in East York. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-washroom home, 2-story. And as you can tell, it needs a little love.
Yeah, it's definitely a bit of a blank slate, I would say, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Large though.
Yeah, look at the
big
ceiling
space.
heights.
Yeah, high ceilings. We've got, could be your living area.
Yeah.
That could be your living area.
Yeah, you can always flip it around, right?
Mm-hmm.
But that's a big dining room.
Huge.
You could entertain a lot of friends there, put a big table.
Yeah, it looks out into the backyard, which is very nice, and we'll get to that. But I say not a lot of love because they've already started the work for you.
Right?
I mean, when you think about doing renovations, it's kitchens and bathrooms. And
Yeah.
this one is pretty much done. You got new countertops, new sink,
Yeah.
single
Let's
huge sink.
turn on the lights here so we
Sure.
can get a feeling for how
Ooh,
nice and bright it is.
that is very bright.
There's some pot lights up top and everything.
Yeah, lots of
So-
cabinets.
Yeah, they put a new hood range in. There's a new stove there, newish at least, anyways.
Mm-hmm.
That's definitely a pretty new sink. New cabinets. So they made a start. They made
They
a start on
did.
this. Yeah. Do you want to head out back?
Can you tell?
Yes.
Let's go inside.
So you've got this big deck space, which probably needs a little bit of TLC, maybe a good cleaning. But
I feel pretty confident.
yeah, the wood's good on it. Yeah, the wood
Yeah.
is definitely good on it. It looks like they probably replaced some of the planks. It's good craftsmanship. It's a nice sized deck. And then you've got that big sitting area in the back there. That, as you say, as the day goes on, will be a little bit shaded. You've got lots of garden space down the side. I think there's a lot of potential, and it's a brick home. You've got your nice ivy creeping up the side. I kind of like stuff like that personally.
Yeah.
And then, so again, the rest of the house is has not been touched much. We can head down to the basement, have a quick look just for size. But this is not a finished basement.
No, but this is a good idea to take a look at something like this and see its potential.
Right. So they have laundry down here. It's a bit musty, but maybe perhaps something a dehumidifier could take care of.
Yeah.
But you want to have a look into things like that. Have an inspection done. That's what's great about places these days. That furnace is not an old furnace. It has been replaced within a while. I wouldn't want to guess how old it is, but it's not a super old one. So some things have been done, and you can certainly just keep going. I mean, that back in there is some sort of cold storage that, if it was me, I would just probably tear all of that out and start again. You'd probably have to dig, I think,
I would dig and just start kind of fresh in here, but that's the nice thing about this space. You've got yourself a good square footage, cover up your utilities area, and you could either get another rec room or a bedroom or even make a bit of a nanny suite.
Yeah, you could. There's potential for all of that up there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and check out the upstairs.
Yes.
So here we are up on the top floor. Lots of nice woodwork around the window frames. Those are nice wood stairs. The railing and all wood. It's beautiful.
You're missing the prize right there to your right there, Sean.
Is that a
linen closet?
Linen closet.
Isn't that great? This place has got a lot of potential.
It really does.
Room sizes are good. Take a look at this. I would consider this the master bedroom.
Primary.
Excuse me. Primary. Yes. We can cut that out.
And then this is, so you've got the bay style window in the front there. There are ceiling fans throughout this house. I'm gonna guess there's not central air, but I'm not really positive about that. I didn't see an air conditioning unit out there.
I don't see, no, I think this is...
But that could be added. It is forced air heating, so it could be added.
There are return vents, so you could do it.
Yeah. So another ceiling fan up in here. This is probably the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. And then this bedroom here is a pretty good size as well.
Great size. You could fit yourself a nice queen size bed with some side tables and even a dresser.
You could do a king size bed here. Dare I say, Carrie?
Dare you say.
And a closet that goes deep down the side. Very nice. We have avoided the bathroom up here. It's not much to look at right now, but it's a good size bathroom. Take that all out. Start again. Buying or selling, owning Toronto takes care of your dwelling.